All right. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make money online in 2025. It's not a get quick rich scheme, but it's a step by step that you need to follow to get results. I got the results under 1 month, and I'm excited to show you how I did it and share with you. So all you need is just your phone or your laptop and your internet. So if you are ready for this hack that I'm about to share with you, let's jump right in. Okay, so the first method, or the first thing we're going to be doing is to visit this site, Seller. This is the biggest e-commerce website in Africa, and it's in Nigeria. So you log in. Okay, I'm already logged in. You will see that this is just one of my accounts. So I have uploaded about 21 products. They are majorly books and softwares. Yes, I don't have sale for this month. Today is the 7th. I opened it last month, but I've made sales. If I don't want to open my analytics. So you can look at, I made sales from my affiliates. I also made from my, this is in the last 30 days. This one you are seeing is in the last 30 days. Okay, so I made early last month. If I go to all sales, but the focus of this post is not to show you my results. It's actually to tell you how you can make money in 2025 online. So on Seller, you can create your account. After creating an account, you have 3 options of having a creator profile dashboard, then affiliate dashboard, and also these are my people that have signed up to become my affiliates, then the customer where you are making purchases. Or from the creator's profile, you can access other resources like your sales that I was talking about, right? You can see the number of sales I made in just 1 month. So this is how much you can make using this platform. So what do you need to do? You need to just help yourself by your experiences, document them, write them, and after writing them in books, you go to canva.com to create your ebook cover. Now because I don't want this video to be long, I'm just trying to give you a hint on how all of this is done. So most times the books you write, just document them in your MS documents. Let me give you an example. Okay, so like I was saying, so this is my results in just 1 month. So but this thing is achievable. What you need to do is let me give you an example of of an ebook, how you do an ebook. Look at this, an example of an ebook, The Busy Person's Guide to Losing Weight Without the Gym. You just copy, prepare the book in this format. So simple. Arrange them in chapters. It's an ebook. Might not be, this is just a small ebook. And after you are done with that, This is just like a how many pages? Like a 12 pages ebook. This is an example. I have books that are 200 pages, 150 pages. This is an example of how you format your ebook. Then after you are done with this, you now come to Canva to make the design. This is simple. All you need to do is just type ebook, ebook templates. You sign up on Canva, you type ebook template, and it will give you. You look at what aligns with your topic, and from there you can pick a template and you just design. Very simple. And for that one I did, look at what a design I did from Canva. So simple. This is not. And when you're done with the design and the book is ready, you come to seller, and on the creator profile, I told you we have three profiles that you can create. And once you sign up on seller, you have three dashboard: the creator profile and the customer profile. But you can also apply for the affiliate profile once you start having products on the creator profile. So on the creator profile, you you upload that ebook that you have done. You upload it. You go to the home page, and it's network. So you add a product, simple as ABC. It's a digital product that people will buy, and they'll pay, and after they pay money. So you drag the cover of your product here. Once you put the cover, the title of the book, the price, then you give out a description here, the category of that book, input it, then the content of that book, that is the word. The book is in Word that you have saved on your device, which is your laptop or your phone. You click on this, you make it's downloadable. So you click on this place and you pick that book, and it will be uploaded on the seller website. And when you are done, you click on create products. As you click on create products, your book becomes live. And this is not done. So once your book becomes live, you need to start dragging people to come. How do people begin to see this book? Now, seller is just a platform where you upload your books and you make money. But how do people see what you have uploaded? Whether it's a book, whether it's a software, maybe you have a paid software that you don't want to continue paying this annual subscription yearly, so you want people to use out of that software. You can do a you can you can do a banner for that software and upload it here, and put here in that place, that link. There's a link. Let me show you. So after you have uploaded the banner of this software, describing the software, the name of the software, the price at which you want people to pay for, maybe it's annually or whatever, then you come to this place. Now it's not going to be downloadable. You're going to redirect people to a link. Automatically, you click on this, automatically redirect the buyer to an external link, to an external URL. You put the URL of where you want them to get the software. So most likely, maybe you have uploaded the software on a Google Drive. You put the link of the Google Drive, or you want them to talk, you want them to communicate with you via WhatsApp. Then you tell them, you meet with them on, or tell them how they can get the software. You put your WhatsApp link here and you click on save. So upon payments, this the link will pop up to them, and they'll be redirected to either your Google Drive or your WhatsApp link. Now that's not all. Now, so How do you now drive traffic to this page? Remember, you've created a page on seller. For me, this is my own page now. This is a page for me, but how do I drive traffic to this page for people? So for each of the products, if I pick this one for instance, now this is the book. This is one of the books that I did. For instance, how you can drive traffic is to go to for instance, me, I use Pinterest. You upload the cover of that book. Now you've signed up on Pinterest and you start creating pins. This is one of the pins I created. This I look at. I created this yesterday, and this is the magic. I created this yesterday, and this is very simple. You create this. It already has 8 impressions. What you need to do is, let me show you. After you have created, you upload this design that you created from Canva. You put the title, the description on the pin. Then the link now will now be the link of the book on seller. So simple. The link of that book in seller. You copy this link. The link of this book. You copy it. What is the link of the book in seller? You just copy it. And you put it, this link, you put it on the Pinterest, right? Look at it. And I created a board for it, and you save. So now, for people that are having problems with weight loss and all of that, once they come across this design and they are interested in it, they just jump at it as, okay, let's read. I want to see more. Okay, this is me opening. This is my own page. So let's see if I can. So this is what the readers will be seeing. Okay, yeah. Now for someone that is not signed up, it comes across this. He just open Pinterest and it comes across this. Oh, the busy person's guide to losing weight without the gym, and it's okay. Well, no gym, no problem. The way results from real life schedules. This is a description in today's hustle culture. Who has time to spend hours at the gym? If you are juggling work, family, and a never-ending open to-do list, and he reads all of these things, you know. So once he reads it, he now shows interest. Okay, then this information might make sense. Okay, there's a place where there's visit. Okay, he wants to read more, and once he clicks on that, it takes him to where he can buy that information. Now the question will be, how you are not good at writing, there are tools that you can use to create these books. There's a website called PLR. Just go to your google.com now, and create a PLR and check PLR books. Check for PLR books. You will see free download the busy books that you can copy, that they have given you the right to repurpose and reuse. Look at, these are books that you can repurpose and reuse. Now, you know, when you download these books, you don't just copy word to word. You go and repurpose them. Repurpose them by going to sites like Quillbots, so that Quillbots will help you to rewrite it. There are rewriting websites that you can go to. They help you rewrite your book, so that it's not just look Quillbots. They help you rewrite your book. You sign up here. You sign up, and so I want to copy a text now. Okay, presumably I'm copying this to be paraphrased. So I paste the text here and I click on this. For the free version, it is 125. So you pick them um, gradually to paraphrase it for you. So it paraphrases and pastes it. Look, in one I posted is in today's fast-paced world. So this is a time is the one. So you read all of this and use it for your book. You do this one by one. Another method for you to paraphrase what you get from from your PLR is to use ChatGPT. You can copy all of those things I copy now is not too much for ChatGPT. You can tell ChatGPT to paraphrase paraphrase the following text. Okay, so when I did that, I paraphrase the following text. You can see my cursor. I put a quote there and I close the quote here too. Then, so I'm not signed in. So sure, here's a paraphrase version of your text. So it is helping me to paraphrase. So if you cannot make use of the Quillbot, you can always, this is an alternative. The ChatGPT is an alternative. So when you copy all of these things, it that is after reading from the two, you can use the two and add your own words where necessarily and copy them to Word document and modify these books. Then when you have modified the content, you upload it to Seller, both the content and the cover page. And when you do all of this thing, you use your Pinterest to drive traffic to it. You use your WhatsApp to drive traffic to it. You can upload it to Facebook using the link of Seller on Facebook. All of these things, when you do all of these things, in no time you start making money. This is one sure way people are making money on digitally online. So now, after you've created most of these books, you cannot apply to become an affiliate, to have affiliates on on Seller, so that affiliates marketers can use your products, can sell your products on your behalf. So you are just there not doing the work. You are marketing your product, and affiliate marketers too are also marketing for you. You can also go to sign up. That's another one for in another video. You can also sign up. There are other members, other digital content creators that have content on Seller that you can become an affiliate to their products, but that will be in another video. So if you find value in this video, please please subscribe to this channel and like the video, drop your comments till I come your way next time with another fantastic video like this. See you next time. Thank you very much.